Hey guys, today we're going to be opening up a new Play-Doh set we got from Chicago. And it comes with 2 cookie cutters. It comes with a butterfly and a heart. What next?
What colors?
It comes with yellow, pink, and kind of like a purplish pink, and more pink, and also bluish, and that comes in the really supposed to be a bluish cup. And I don't know if this is the bluish cup. It is the bluish cup. So today we're going to open up the new Play-Doh set and play with it. Now let's open it up and play with it. Let's take it out the Play-Doh. So now we're going to take out the Play-Doh, smush it down. And today, it's going to be a nice day. Fireworks today. And then, we're going to use the cookie cutter.